Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the lid so the gel adheres. Cleanse and apply a thin primer. Once done, pick a small angled brush and load just the tip. Wiping excess prevents blobs. Now, with the eye open and looking slightly down, place the brush at the inner third and draw tiny 1-2 mm strokes, connecting as you go. This builds a smooth baseline and gives you control. Make sure to keep your wrist steady and your elbow braced for precision. Once the baseline is set, mark the wing point with a tiny dot aimed toward the end of your eyebrow. This guides symmetry. Next, connect that dot to the outer lash line using short angled strokes so the wing sits cleanly. Then, fill and thicken by layering strokes from the center outward, blending toward the wing. Layering prevents cakey buildup. If lines get uneven, make sure to soften edges with a damp cotton swab, and then reinforce the crisp outer edge for a polished look. You finish by refining the inner corner and tail. Use a Q-tip dipped in micellar water to sharpen and clean any stray marks. Once satisfied, lightly dust translucent powder over a tissue on the line to set the gel so it lasts. If you smudge, treat small errors by lifting product gently with a damp Q-tip, then reapply that section, or erase a flawed edge with concealer to restore crispness. Either approach saves time versus removing the whole liner and starting over.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.